Today, we're going to be taking my new Proboat Horizon Hobby Blackjack 24-inch out for a spin with the new DJI Action 2 camera. Let's see how waterproof this new camera really is. Feels pretty good. Once she gets on plane, pulling to the left, we trim this out. Now it's going to the right. She's moving now, baby. Woo! Yeah. Oh yeah, she's really moving now, guys. Get that rooster tail going. Oh yeah, look at her, look at her. Look. Might have to adjust that rudder just a little bit. But man, she is taking off and soaring. This is on 3S. And she really takes the turns real nice too. She's on 3S and we're running 5100 mAh Ovonic 100C. And she is really doing good out here. Feels real good. Cornering really good too. The way the shape of the boat really handles really well, even over the wakes. She is just really doing well out here. Look at that turn, look at that turn, look at that. Blackjack 24, 3S. A lot of fun out here on the pond. Look how she turns like that, just on a dime almost. So far, no overheating. No ESC overheating at all. Working really well today, really locked in. Liking her on 3S. I could run her up to 4S, get a little bit more out of her. The motor will handle it, but the ESC only rated up to 3S out of the stock ESC. But she's actually cooling really well today. Oh yeah, love when she throws that rooster tail out. Lots of fun. The Blackjack 24 Horizon Hobby This is stock. Love the way she just coasts on the top of the water like that. And once she's on plane, it really, really good run time so far too. Battery's a little heavy, but she ain't got no problem. Got the shaft freshly lubricated today. She's really doing good. Look at that. Really nice out here. Tons of fun with this Blackjack, man. Try to get some close-up footage for you. And it just takes off. It's just gone, man. On plane. Looks like she's cooling really well. I got the water spitting out the side. Doing really well. Really happy with this boat. A neighbor of mine actually picked it up from him, and he just kind of got out of it, but he sold it to me for a really good price. This thing is a ton of fun, man. Look at that thing, ripping. Look how she takes them corners. Imagine this thing on 4S would be even sicker. Look at this thing go. Tons of fun, man. I got this thing wide open right out here in the pond. She really, really loving the turns. It handles really, really well. I think with the 5100 too, we're going to get a little bit more run time. While the battery is a little bit heavier. Yep, there she goes. That's done. Man, that was a really good run, guys. I'm not going to complain at that for one bit. So went ahead and shut down for the low voltage. So now we got enough to bring the boat back to us. Very, very, very nice. Very happy with that. I'm not going to complain about that at all. That's one good thing about Lipo, man. You once she dies, she gives you enough to get the boat back home safely without completely dying on you. There it is, guys. The Proboat Horizon Hobby Blackjack 24 catamaran. Does have reverse as well. Really, really solid boat, man. I really like this boat. Ton of fun out here. Very, very nice. I love that it's got reverse as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. There's going to be more Blackjack Proboat videos and DJI Action 2 videos to come on the channel, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Edrone, out.